Okay. Now, I'm going to, so we don't run out of time, I'm going to go right into trial. Okay. By the way, it's not known by the general public, but lawyers today have the right to subpoena, in a legitimate reason, people or things that they want to.
Right.
You don't have to go to court to get permission anymore. We can issue a subpoena from our own office.
Right.
Okay, now, with every subpoena, you have to attach a fee. And that's for the mileage of the person that you're bringing in to your office for a deposition or for court as a witness. But in preparing a case for trial, a judge is going to give you a trial date, correct?
Correct.
Okay. On that date, that's your goal, that date, you go to court. I'm going to ask Don this question. Don, you go to court. What goes on the first thing when you get to a trial?
Well, the judge says you're on trial. That's the very first thing. And generally the judge calls the parties into, lawyers into chambers.
Right.
The judge may ask some basic facts surrounding the case, may even make an attempt, depending on the judge, to try to resolve the case. And if he can't or she can't resolve the case, he says, well, let's start preparing the documents that we need to prepare. How many witnesses are you going to have? How many witnesses is the opponent going to have? What kind of evidence are you going to have?
So he wants to know how long this case is going to take.
Correct. He wants to know how long the motions in limine, limiting evidence that would go before the jury. And you discuss challenges that you're going to have in picking a jury.
Okay, what other things are going on?
Well, what I was going to say, because I think it's important for the public to know this, and even for some of the lawyers to know this, that a lot of people are under the misconception that when you appear at the trial call, you are the only case there that day.
It's true.
And a lot of people